guys, welcome to channel Creative Brain. So as I have already informed in my last tutorial that today we will start Java language. So guys, all the basic questions I will tell you through this tutorial. So first question is what is Java? Second will be what is the use of Java? And third will be what is the syntax of Java? And fourth, how we write Java code. So guys, what is Java? Java is just a language in which we write a code and then action will be performed and we will get the output. It was developed by James Gosling in 1995 and its first name was Oak and later it was Java. Okay, so here what is the use of Java? By the help of Java you can make games, web application, desktop application and banking application. And see, here's an example. You can make robots, you can make games, you can make web application, etc. with the help of Java. So in today's demand, Java is very useful language. If you are a BTech plus CS, if you have done BTech with CS stream, then you should know one language that can be anything: Python, PHP, Java, etc. .NET. So here we will learn Java. So guys, this is the syntax of Java. First we have to make class, and within that class we have to make main method and then another class, and within that method, and with the help of creating object we will access those methods. This I will explain on later classes, that how we access main method, how we create class and how we create objects. So as of now, just see, this is the syntax, and this syntax will be same in all the programs. For whatever reason you write your program, this syntax will remain same. So here is an example. So for this, to write Java code, you have to install one Eclipse. This is the package source, and then click on right click on it, then make a class, write your class name, that is first is hello. Okay, class name should be with capital letter, then click on finish, and then .java will be your file name, and then see here Java will come. So what you all need to do is just make a main method. I will tell you in my later classes that how we write to main method and all. Okay, so public static void main will come. Public static void main, this is how we write our main method. And then string, these are the predefined terms which are already written in our libraries. Okay, these are the things. And then what you need to do, this is the main method, and then what you will do is, okay, next will be how you will print hello world. So this is the command, just write hello, WORLD, hello world, and then next. So this is the program which you have done. You have created only a main method, and then Control S, and then right click on hello Java to see the result. Here it will come Java application, then click on Java application, and after that you will get your output. So this is how we write our Java syntax. In this you can also make one so this is a syntax, basically how we write Java code to print anything. So guys, in today's tutorial I am just here to tell you that how we write Java code and what is the use of Java. So hope you understood what is Java. So Java is nothing, just a language in which you write your code, and then this code will be acknowledged by JVM. Then what JVM will do, it will find the main method, and whatever written in main method, it will print all that and will show you on your console screen. So you will get the output. Okay guys, so this is the Java, and that's why we are using Java. Whatever we do here actions, that will be performed